Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to work the website called Toondoo. Basically, all it is a website where students can make their own comic strips, or not even comic strips, it can be projects or just anything where they want to express themselves in a different way using technology, and they don't necessarily have to like draw it out or color, or what I'm saying. So just it's a really fun way for them to express themselves. So here we go. The way I found this website was it was actually something that I used when I was younger in middle school. So that's what ultimately led to my decision in doing this one. You have to make an account. I'm already signed in. This is actually the same account I had in middle school, so really fun to go back and kind of just see what I used to make. But so all right, let's get started. So you're gonna press create, and then you can pick any horizontal layout that you like or any vertical layout that you want. I'm gonna be doing the seasons of the year, so I'm gonna do the four boxes. All right, so first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna find, well, first thing that I would do is I would find the backgrounds that you want. There's all kinds of different things you can do. Characters, there's all different types of characters. There's like I can't even tell you. And then there's backgrounds, props, texts, brushman, special, open clip art, and my gallery. My gallery is just like things that you already have on your account. These tools down here are how you I guess basically work around things. Like this is like making them bigger, making them smaller. This is like cloning them, flipping, rotating, self-explanatory. So let's get started. So because I'm doing seasons of the year, I am going to try to find backgrounds that match what I want. I don't think that's really spring. Um, Here's good fall, and then um, spring, and let's just do this for summer. Okay, so and you can like rotate, you can like move the everything around. Like it is so flexible to what you can do. Um, but yeah, I really okay. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find a character that explains the months and their months and everything. So there's all different kinds. There's characters, men, women, like all the imagination is unlimited when it comes to this. Um I'm just gonna use a character on here, just like a regular character. So first we're gonna start off with this cute old bear right here. The way you make them smaller is using this button, and you just place them for summer. Let's do. Actually, I want to do this one for fall because he is just enjoying himself. And then let's do this one for winter because bears do not like the winter. And then for summer, let's do something fun. Let's do this one because he looks like he is hot. And you gotta like do it, like according to like what you want your comic strip or whatever you're making to be. And that's another thing I really like about this website is you literally get to make anything that you want, and like there's so many different expressions and emotions Okay, so next thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna do a text bubble. And so I'm gonna do 4 different text bubbles. And I'm gonna shrink it right there. And then this one, this one. All right, so this one's gonna say, spring is during the months during the month of January or what is it? March through through uh, June, May. Okay. So we have this one right here, and you can like drag to have him talking or saying it. And then the next one is summer. Summer is during the months of, hold on, I can't see what I'm typing. During the months of June through August. And that is so funny because he looks like he is dying out there. All right, and then this one is going to say fall is during the months of September through November. And this one is going to say winter is during the months of December through January. No, is that right? January, February, March. Yeah, February. February. All right, and so yeah, and they're gonna have him. I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller. Gonna have him saying that and pointing to that, and yeah, and that's pretty much it. Like, I can show you guys some props. Like I guess like trees. Like you can like like decorate it up to make it like what you want. Well, a tree wouldn't really be. I would rather. So like here's spring. Just something like to show. Like winter would be like a mistletoe. And then like I don't know if they have like something for the summer, but um oh, okay, there's an igloo. That's funny. Just there's so like look at all this. There's so many different things you could do for any project, like medieval. Like here's something you could do for medieval, or something that you could do for Western, or like so many. And I think my favorite thing to actually do with this would probably be history, because they have like famous people, and like you can like do a timeline, or like the presidents, or literally the it's though there is no limit to your imagination when it comes to this. I don't see anything for summer. But yeah, they have all these logos and like see it's just so many different things you can do. Like I don't know if it's gonna go through and all these flags and just craziness. Brushmen are the different like types of artists. So like this artist makes these. This artist right here would make these and um special like that's just like the different like themes and such. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Super fun, super exciting, and you can do anything you want with this. Um, and so yeah, and that's pretty much it. And then what you're gonna do from here is you actually click one of these one of these down here. No, it's not that one. But oh, let me tell you what these buttons do. This can like if you wanna like write on it. So if you wanted to write, I don't know, like spring, just you can do so much with this. I can't do the eye. Won't let me dot the eye. There we go. Spring. And that's if they didn't want to type it and they wanted to have it even more personalized, like um. But yeah, let's save. Waiting for the paint to dry. But yeah, well, what you would do in my classes, we would print it out. We would print them out, and then you can turn it in as a comic strip. You can just print it out. But yeah, just super, super cool. Um, and yeah, that's it. I hope that this was helpful, and hopefully you can use it sometime. Thanks.